Another physics build brain box is friction. For example, you want to create something underwater that you want to affect friction. For example, if you fall down this object, play this, you can see it simply fall down. If you add, for example, a simple rotate, then I explained it before, then simple side move. If you doing that, you can see it's fall down, it's rotating and continue its work. But if you want to, for example, create a friction between air and this object, you can add simple friction. This is an friction, angular drag and linear drag and overall friction. Let's try just with 0, 0 and that number. You can see. Okay, you can see it's been a little bit friction between objects. Or if you have a character and your character is slicing on your scene, use this friction. Angular drag means if you want to your object rotate, it gives a resistance. For example, 1. Let's see. It has a very high resistance between objects. And let's make a half. Now you can see it's trying to rotate, but it's slightly rotates to force that resistance against the rotation. Or you can add a linear drag, means if object move in the side, it has a resistance. For example, number 3. The number between 0 and 1. You can see it's dropping very slowly. It looks like it's on a water. This is an friction. Easy.